In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload customer list in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to set up a clean, well-labeled audience ready for your campaigns. First, sign into your Google Ads account. At the top, look for the Tools icon, the little wrench. Click it, then under the Shared Library section, choose Audience Manager. This is where all your audience lists live, including remarketing and customer match lists. Inside Audience Manager, click the plus icon to create a new audience. From the options that appear, select Customer List. This tells Google Ads you're creating an audience based on your first-party customer data. You'll see a prompt to choose your data source. If you already have a file ready, like a CSV with emails or phone numbers, you can choose to upload manually. If you don't have a file right now, click. Skip this setup, which is what I'm selecting for this walkthrough. Either way, click. Continue to move on. Next, give your audience a clear segment name. Use something descriptive, like the source or intent of the list, so it's easy for your team to recognize later. Now select the customer type. This should match the identifiers you plan to use, such as email addresses, phone numbers, user IDs, or mobile ad IDs. Choose the one that best reflects your data and what you intend to upload when you're ready. Set the membership duration. This determines how long people stay in the list before they drop off. Pick a duration that aligns with your sales cycle or the relevance of your data. Shorter windows can work well for timely offers. Longer windows can be helpful for repeat buyers and retention goals. Add a description to document where the data comes from and how it should be used. This note is for internal clarity, and it's incredibly useful when you revisit the audience later. When everything looks good, click, save, and continue. Your audience shell is now created. If you skip the setup, you can return later to upload your file when it's ready. If you uploaded data, keep in mind that Google may take some time to process and match it. It's normal for the audience size to appear limited or in progress at first. A quick reminder, only use customer data that you've collected with proper consent and in compliance with applicable policies. Clean, accurate data improves match rates and ad performance, and maintaining clear names and descriptions keeps your account organized as your audience strategy grows.